Way back on 15th December 2021, the Meghalaya High Court directed the state government and the National Highway Authority of India to come up with a long-term plan to improve the condition of the Jowai-Shillong road. But till today, the National Highway 6 connecting Jowai to Shillong is in the worst form despite the roads being totally damaged in several places, especially along Jowai bypass to Puriang. The flow of traffic along the Jowai-Shillong has been affected. Speaking to a senior citizen of Jowai town, O.R. Chalam expressed his sadness about the condition of the road. He said that within 3 months of repairing, there are potholes along the Wa Minsu, and not even 1 year of repairing the road has worsened.
Nasngaw kthang gaman sem banyo iba kakut tangha kajing kular jong kinong yalam nakaway kasni sakaway kasni kata phau kulur kata spa kulur kata hajar kulur kapisa hanre ka development pat imi pakadon hakani kalenti ba o national 06 ro I kumbadon high level ladadon kum kita ngamtip sa ekan poy karibat kajay.
And now for the weather.